In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in Minecraft Education Edition. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to log in Minecraft Education Edition is a Microsoft account, because as of 2022, to access any Minecraft content, you need to use your Microsoft account. So, the first step is to go to the website www.education.minecraft.net. You will arrive at this homepage where you can use the Quick Start button or the Sign In function at the top right corner of the screen to go through and log into your account. Like I mentioned, you have to sign in a Microsoft account to access Minecraft Education, but if you don't have one, you can just create one through this page. Just click Create One and go ahead to sign in to Minecraft Education Edition. Once you properly create your Microsoft account and log in using Microsoft, you will be able to access all of Minecraft Education Edition's functionalities and you can start playing the game. I hope I was able to help you on how to sign in Minecraft Education. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tip. Thank you for watching.